So here's a repot I've been putting off for quite a while. This is a big beech raft that I bought from a collection 3 or 4 years ago, and the gentleman I bought it from had no idea whether it was all connected or whether it was separate trees, and sadly, as you can see, a lot of it down there is buried. But what we're going to do today is get right in here and uncover whatever it is that's joining all these trunks together, because to the best of my knowledge this tree hasn't been has not been off this slab or repotted in any way for probably the better part of 20 years, something like that. While the ramification is half decent, there's a lot of scope for improvement in this, and it's not been the healthiest thing over the last couple of years, and so we're going to basically lift it off this slab, clean it up, take the top off this massive root ball, and resettle it all back for the next 20 odd years hopefully.